About the table tag, it displays data in table format. The first step to create a table is to specify the table structure, which are the numbers of rows and columns, the location of column heading, the placement of the table caption. Once table structure is in the place, you can start entering data in it. Here we can see a simple table structure which consists of column heading and data type. Knowing about the sum tag using table tag. Table are enclosed within the two-side table tag that identify the start and ending of the table structure. Each row of a table is indicated within the two-side TR for the table row. Within each table row, TD for the table data tag indicates the presence of individual table cell. This was about row. Now we need to know about column. HTML do not provide the tag for table column. In original HTML specifies the number of column it determined by how many cells are inserted within each row. For example, if you have 4 DT tag in each table row, that table has to 4 column. So it means you have equal numbers of rows and columns. Let's move to the program. Include the mandatory tag HTML head body, which I haven't include. Now let's move on to the table tag. Include the row and the data contained in the table. Now close the table tag. Let's check the output. We can see a table which has equal number of rows and columns with including table data. Next is table caption. Only Internet Explorer supports all the caption values. Netscape supports only top and bottom values. The caption tag works only within the table tag, which must be placed within the table structure. Caption are shown as slowly text within the special formation. Caption can be formatted by appending caption special formation text within other tag. For example, place caption text within a pair of B and I tag, cause the caption to display to as a bold and italic. Now attribute. Attribute uses alignment for the alignment of the table, which can be left, right, top, bottom. Now let's know how to create heading tag with the TH tag. HTML provides TH tag for the table heading. Text formatted within TH has is centered within the cell and display a bold-face font. TH tag is most often used for the column heading, but you can use it for any cell that you want to contain centered bold-face text. Adding table border. By default, browser display table without table border. A table border can be added using the border attribute to table tag. Syntax for creating table border is table border is equal to value. Value is the width of the border in pixel. So use the different attributes and tags to create table and make the innovative table. Thank you.